Hey guys, in this video, I will give you full review on Readwise app. Alright, let's begin. Readwise is a powerful app designed for readers, researchers, and lifelong learners who want to retain and revisit what they read more effectively. It works by collecting your highlights from Kindle, Apple Books, PDFs, web articles, and more, and then resurfaces them daily using a spaced repetition system. In 2025, Readwise has grown beyond just highlight management with its integrated reading tool called Reader, which lets you read, annotate, and save web content, newsletters, documents, and even YouTube transcripts in one place. One of the app's biggest strengths is its ability to organize and resurface highlights intelligently. You can tag your notes, search through your entire library, and even export them to tools like Notion, Obsidian, or Evernote. It's especially useful for anyone who makes regular use of personal knowledge management systems or those who simply want to remember more of what they read. The reader feature adds another layer, allowing you to save articles, read them distraction-free, and highlight key ideas, all of which automatically sync with your Readwise library. Another standout feature is the new AI integration. In 2025, Readwise introduced Chat with your highlights, which lets you ask questions and retrieve insights from your entire reading history using an AI assistant. This makes it easier than ever to connect ideas, write with depth, or study efficiently. Combined with smart filters, reading queues, and offline access, it turns Readwise into a full-on knowledge companion. However, Readwise isn't for everyone. Its interface is functional but not particularly polished, and some users have reported performance issues, especially when reading large PDFs or using the desktop version of Reader. The app also comes with a relatively high price tag, starting around $8 to $12.99 per month depending on the plan. While a 30-day free trial is available, the recurring cost might be hard to justify if you don't read and highlight frequently. So, in order to decide if Readwise is worth it, you have to follow these steps. First, evaluate how often you read and highlight content. If you're someone who consumes a lot of books or articles and struggles to retain key points, Readwise can be a game changer. But if you only read casually and don't engage much with note-taking, it might feel like an overbuilt solution. Overall, Readwise is ideal for people who want to actively engage with what they read and build a long-term system for learning. Ask Chat. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.